Hello everybody, my name is Gianni and today I'm going to show you how to freeze a frame in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump straight into the edit page and see how to achieve that. Right here I have my clip. So the first thing is to move our cursor to where we want to add our freeze frame. So let's say, for example, right here. And then we can either use the blade tool or the Command B shortcut to split the clip. Next, we just need to move one frame forward. Again, split the clip. Then make some space. And then select our one frame clip. Go to Change Clip Speed. Check the Freeze Frame option. Click Change. And then simply extend our frame. And just like that, we have freezed a frame in DaVinci Resolve. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.